One of the frequent questions I get asked about Square Websites plugins and our partnership with them is when to buy multiple licenses or commercial licenses and when to buy single licenses. And thankfully, it's quite easily laid out in the plugins here. So it doesn't matter which one you land on. I'm going to go to the Interactive Maps plugin. And if I scroll down, there's loads of information. I'd strongly recommend that you read through this before committing to a purchase. And we've got one-side license here. With this option, an additional copy is required for each website, or additional license. I believe the Square Websites team will be able to track whether you're using the plugins on multiple sites. Your copy of the plugin will be paired with the domain name you register it for. So say, for example, you've tried it on one trial Squarespace site, but you want to transfer that license across to another site. It would just simply be a case of contacting the Square Websites team, not Squarespace directly, because this is a third-party plugin, via the support page here. And we can log into Slack and access support via that route. Also, it's always worth checking out the FAQs page because you'll find out more information about each option on there. This is different to the Chrome extension, which has a Lite and a Pro version, which we'll be covering in future videos. Going back to the plugin at hand, this Squarespace Maps plugin, we've got $70 for the unlimited option. So we're looking for that unlimited keyword. This is a commercial license, meaning if we're a professional designer or we want to use it on multiple websites, this is going to be the cheaper option. And that's one fixed fee for multiple sites. Whilst if we look at this option here, we've got the one site license. And if we just scroll down, we should be able to find both of those options. And if we click on the purchase here, it will take us to the equivalent page where we can see that the price is at $40. Once we've chosen an option that suits us, whether it's this single site version or the multi-site commercial license, we can click to add to cart. And from here, we can see we have to enter in the URL for our site. This is how Square Websites can track that you are using the license appropriately and you're not misusing it by installing it over multiple sites. If you know you're going to use it over multiple sites, upgrade to the $70 version. So if you're thinking you're going to be using this over multiple sites, I'd recommend just going straight for the multiple site license option, just so you don't have this headache in future. I hope this has helped to clear up this one question that I get asked regularly in terms of how to navigate between the two different options. Both plugins are fantastic, and I've got a few more tutorials in the pipeline showing how we can get the most out of this particular map plugin. This is a really short video. If you are interested in this map plugin, have a look at our Square Websites playlist on this channel, and there is a link to the Square Websites homepage via the description. If you click on that option, you help me out. I will get any affiliate income for anything you purchase, which helps me to create more free videos like this. Enjoy, and I'll see you soon.